Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the app you want to capture, then press Win+G to open Gamebar. You must enable Gamebar in settings right arrow gaming if it's off, otherwise the overlay won't appear. Once open, check the capture widget and microphone icon. Make sure your mic is armed if you'll narrate. You're ready to hit the record button or use the Win+Alt+R hotkey to start recording immediately. This avoids extra clicks and keeps your workflow moving. You now adjust capture settings to match your needs. Open Gamebar settings to pick video quality and frame rate. Higher settings yield bigger files but crisper motion. Once done, decide audio routing. Select game, mic, or both so your commentary and system sounds balanced properly. Make sure background recording is off unless you want automatic clips. It uses CPU and disk. Finally, assign or confirm hotkeys like Win+Alt+R to record and Win+Alt+G for clips. You finish by stopping the capture with Win+Alt+R. Windows saves the file in videos /captures, so open File Explorer to review it. Once you see the clip, you can trim or combine segments in the Xbox app or export to a dedicated editor for more polish. If you don't get a recording, check that Gamebar and background recording are enabled, confirm hotkeys aren't conflicting, and update GPU drivers. Those often block overlays. If problems persist, restart the PC and retry the exact steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.